In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple rock, paper, scissors game using Python. So how it works, simply by entering your choice and then you see if you won against your computer. And if you want to play again, you type yes. So first we import random, then create a function called getPlayerChoice to get your choice, then a variable called choice with an input, and write, for example, choose rock, paper, or scissors, and add the lower option. So if the user entered an upper letter, it will automatically lower. And to ignore all the inputs that are not rock, paper, or scissors, we do a while loop and we write while choice not in rock, paper, scissors. In this way, print invalid choice and repeat the input again to ask the player to re-enter his choice, then return choice. Next, a function called getComputerChoice, which is the function of the computer's choice. How it works, just by returning random.choice and inside it paste or we write rock, paper, scissors. So what we did here, we made a function that gets the player choice and another function that gets computer's choice, and now we create function that determine the winner. Alright, so inside, if player equal computer, return it's a tie. Else if, now we do the probabilities. If player equals rock and computer equals scissors, or player equals scissors and computer equals paper, or player equals paper, computer equals rock, then we return you win because the player won. Else, return computer wins. Now we do another function called playGame that will print the results. The last step is to ask the player if he wants to keep playing or stop. So with while loop, while true, do playGame, alright? Then a variable called again with an input to ask the user if he wants to play again. So if again doesn't equal y, print thanks for playing and break. What does this mean? So while the answer is yes and the player wants to keep playing, the game will keep repeating. Now let's save the file and run the code. And it looks like we have a problem. I forgot the brackets in getPlayerChoice and getComputerChoice. Why? Because they are functions. Alright, then we save and run the code. Choose rock, paper, or scissors. For example, I'll go with scissors. It's a tie. It's a tie again. Computer wins. And as you can see, I'm fighting my computer. And computer wins and I won. So this is how to build a rock, paper, scissors game using Python. And this is it, guys. See you next time.